This is a CV that helped me get my job at Contently. So when choosing a CV over a resume, it's about, providing depth, actually going into more detail about the work that you've accomplished throughout your career. It's important to, highlight who you are, show the work that you've actually accomplished, and be visually appealing. At the end of the day, you're showcasing who you are. They say, a picture's worth 1,000 words. So essentially, my cover kind of highlights that. I'm a marketer, and at the end of the day, it's about marketing and it's about teamwork. I thought that I kind of had to start with a cover letter. It's kind of like the summary. Then it goes into my resume, and then it goes into several projects throughout my career. So it was important to add creative elements such as examples of direct marketing, digital marketing. I've even created music videos, actually taking Will Smith's Parents Just Don't Understand and turned into CIOs Just Don't Understand to talk about application analysis, which is not the sexiest thing to talk about in the world. But I'm highlighting that I'm pretty creative. I'm thinking beyond just the work that's being done. It's actually finding ways to connect with different people using those creative elements. So that's how I got my job. Hopefully, it helps you get yours.